Many people spend the largest part of their lives indoors, at home, at the office, at school, in a care institution. It's therefore important that the air is good and feels pleasant. With its systems, Duco guarantees a healthy and natural indoor climate and optimal thermal comfort with minimum energy consumption. As a company, they're fully committed to sustainability and quality. Their innovative solutions are the perfect proof where functionality and aesthetics are equally important. How did Duco manage to achieve this? With their green building solution, where ventilation and solar control can be combined in various ways, but always with the same end result: natural comfort inside. Many newly built projects are sealed so well nowadays that very little fresh air from the outside is allowed in. Often as not, the air quality is even far from adequate in buildings and homes that have less insulation. On average, air pollution is twice as high as outside. Odors, humidity and hazardous substances accumulate. This can lead to health complaints from the occupants and may be harmful to buildings. So the provision of good ventilation is a key requirement. Opening a window to air is insufficient, because to have good ventilation means continuously allowing air in 24 hours a day and at the same time having contaminated air discharged in a controlled way. The temperature indoors and the air quality sometimes leave a lot to be desired. This is certainly true in offices. The buildings are often too hot or too chilly, and this can be at the expense of the productivity of those that work there. Duco will provide the solution to achieve a good and comfortable indoor climate in homes and offices alike. Duco's green building solution for dwellings consists of a combination of direct natural supply of fresh air through the building envelope, centralized mechanical extraction of stale air from the wet areas, and external solar shading. Duco have an extensive range of natural air supply vents for both newly built and renovation projects. Healthy, fresh air enters directly from outside in a controlled manner without detours. This will avoid possibly contaminated and difficult to maintain supply ducting. The self-regulating vents ensure that a constant airflow is maintained and a minimum of energy is required. Duco also provides comfortable and low-noise ventilation in noise-exposed areas. Through far-reaching developments in their proprietary acoustic testing laboratory, Duco has become a benchmark in attenuated ventilation. Duco's demand-controlled natural ventilation systems ensure seamless, energy-efficient cooperation within the system. The supply of fresh air and the extraction of stale air are controlled by simultaneously measuring temperature, carbon dioxide levels, and humidity. It provides a permanent balance between controlled natural air supply through ventilation grills and mechanical air extraction through an extract air fan. Every occupied zone is provided with a CO2 sensor. The sensor will respond to higher CO2 levels. CO2 is an excellent gauge for the quality of indoor air. The Ducotronic system will only ventilate where and when it's required and provide the correct amount of ventilation. The mechanical air extraction is controlled by an IQ unit, which responds to the humidity level in the relatively moist rooms such as bathrooms and kitchens. The information flow within the system uses the Z-Wave communication protocol. This provides fast and wireless communication between IQ unit, sensors and vents. By measuring the outdoor air temperature, the system ensures critical and energy-efficient ventilation throughout the year, whatever the season. The Duco twin ventilation and solar shading assembly linked to a demand control system is the alternative to energy-consuming air conditioning. By keeping heat out, Duco twin not only guarantees healthy air, but also optimal thermal comfort in the home. Duco's green building solution for offices consists of a balanced combination of natural basic ventilation directly through the building envelope, night cooling, and external solar shading. Duco wall and window vents combine intensive ventilation with a considerable aesthetic added value. Duco offers a full range of wall and window vents, starting from its standard classic vents, including their closable close vents, right up to its exceptionally sturdy solid wall vents. The products have been developed in such a way that they can provide intensive ventilation. This makes them particularly suitable for nighttime cooling. With nighttime cooling, cool outdoor air is allowed in and is stored in the thermal mass of the building, such as concrete elements. The use of the cold night air in conjunction with external solar shading creates a pleasant indoor climate during daytime hours. Duco also has many years of experience in the area of solar shading. Its external solar control systems allow the highest level of sunlight in and keep heat out. No air conditioning system is required. This solution is extremely energy efficient. Investing in external solar shading is therefore an excellent solution that will soon reach payback. The green building solution has been applied throughout the new Duco building. This was achieved in close consultation with the firm of architects Govart and Van Houten. Duco Ventilation and Sun Control was started up in 1991 and has now grown to become a leading player in a fast-changing building market in Europe. To cover this market effectively, it was decided to add a new ultra-modern company aimed at the non-residential sector to the existing company that is aimed at the residential market. Both companies have a total surface area of 56,000 square meters and are the perfect calling card for Duco's own green building solution. The companies are strategically located in Verne, Belgium, on the E40 motorway which links Bruges to the port of Calais in France. Duco has already been awarded various international awards in the area of innovation, management and export. Innovation and sustainability are determining factors for Duco's end results. That is why Duco continuously invests in research. Duco has an advanced and progressive research and development department. An extensive team of experienced and expert engineers work there each day on the development of new products. Every product is carefully tested in Duco's proprietary testing laboratories as well as in Europe's most renowned research centers. Quality is essential. All profiles are exclusively designed and produced by Duco. The company closely monitors the full production process from the very beginning at the design stage to after-sales customer care. A storage capacity of more than 600 kilometers of unprocessed profiles allows Duco to maintain short delivery times. Throughout the whole manufacturing process, each product is tracked by an electronic registration system. Advanced automation and high-technology machinery ensure fast and impeccable production. Environmentally friendly and chrome-free pre-treatment ensures a perfect adhesion of the powder to the profiles, which is essential for withstanding the most extreme weather conditions. The profiles are transferred to the manual or fully automated electrostatic spray booth via the tracking system. The baking process at 180 degrees guarantees exceptional quality, so the Duco products have a 10-year warranty. Duco applies the most optimal methods of thermal breaks to achieve the best K values and to eliminate formation of condensate. Customers' requirements are foremost to Duco. That's why Duco has a specialist tailor-made department dedicated to the expert assembly and adjustment of its top products, such as motor-controlled closable wall vents and acoustic and electronic vents. Duco's exit control procedure ensures only perfect finished products leave the factory. Duco offers its customers advice as regards drawing up plans, making calculations, and so on, to ensure that the end result is the most optimal choice for builder, architect, contractor, and fitter alike. Customers can always visit Duco's well-designed website to stay informed, or can contact the company's consultants and export managers and attend open or in-house training courses. Contact with the customer has the highest priority at Duco. Through exhibitions, seminars and company visits, Duco keeps its finger on the pulse of customer requirements. The Black Box is the showroom and event location for Duco's many business relations. Duco offers an indoor climate where you will feel comfortable day and night because Duco supplies natural comfort inside.